Thinking about getting a new car from Germany? It's easier than you might think, as long as you know the right steps. I'll show you 3 quick tips to make sure your car gets here safely and without surprise fees. Tip 1. Choose carefully. Check the car's history, warranty, and specs before buying. Make sure it meets your country's requirements. Left-hand drive or right-hand drive matters depending on where you live. Tip 2. Know your import rules. Customs, taxes, and inspections vary by country. Calculate these costs before you buy so there are no surprises when your car arrives. Tip 3. Shipping matters. Sea freight is common and affordable. Air freight is faster but costs more. Use a transport company that handles the paperwork and delivery. It saves time and stress. So remember, pick the right car, know the rules, and choose the right shipping method. Want a stress-free import? Click the link below for a free quote from A1 Auto Transport. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on shipping cars internationally.